At Optimum Window, our team of gifted craftsmen have been custom manufacturing steel windows and doors since 1985. As a family-owned and operated business in upstate New York, immense pride is taken with each step of the custom fabrication process. From inception to delivery, every measure is taken to ensure our clients' exact specifications are met. The famous strength of steel allows for truly unique pieces. As custom products demand precision, Optimum continually assesses our methods by upgrading our machinery and technology, while educating ourselves to stay at the forefront of this ever-evolving industry. This has allowed our fire-rated and architectural steel windows and door offerings to grow into the most diverse catalog on the market and exhibit the quality our clients have come to rely on. While thinking outside the box, our team is enhancing our already extensive collection of custom capabilities. Our fire and impact-rated steel undergoes vigorous testing to meet and in many cases exceed the most demanding building codes and safety standards. With Optimum's tireless range of products and continuous strides in the industry, matching existing historical, landmark, and government steel windows and doors removes the challenge other manufacturers oftentimes face. Joining in the global effort to become a greener institution, we are proud to manufacture using recycled steel and utilize less volatile compounds for our extensive line of powder coatings and finishes. Fabricating all units in our upstate facility allows us to uphold our meticulous standards day to day, and has also cultivated a tight-knit community among our office and production staff. When it comes to your next steel window or door project, think Optimum Window, where style meets functionality.